Once again, in the last video, I've shown you how to configure the ALU that's provided by Circuitverse, and we have explained that the ALU provided by Circuitverse is much more versatile or flexible than our ALU, because our ALU can only add or subtract, and the Circuitverse ALU has 7 different functions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 4-bit adder, something which we have done before using the Circuitverse ALU. And I'm going to emphasize later that you don't even have to create a ones complement or twos complement converter in order to perform addition or subtraction, because we can just change the control signals as input, as part of the input of the Circuitverse ALU. Let's now create a 4-bit adder or subtractor by creating a new circuit. So CV 4-bit adder and subtractor. Take note that our adder and subtractor before is like this, where we had to make use of extra bits in order to convert into ones complement and add an extra one to the first full adder in order to complete the twos complement. But using the Circuitverse ALU, we don't have to do that. Okay, so in here we are doing 4 bits. In the Circuitverse ALU, we just have to expand the bit width to 4. Now we are able to, okay, to get a 4-bit adder. And then we can just connect this to our output. Okay, and then we will expand the output to 4 bits also. We can convert to this to one. We can connect this to a 4-bit input by connecting an input to A. There will be an error, but we can just expand the 4-bit, rather A to 4 bits. B also to 4 bits. Okay, you can extend this to 4 bits. One more thing needed is our input, control input, which we need to expand only to 3 bits. Okay. So for example, we now have a simple adder. Compare this to this adder, which is a lot more complex. Although we can create a white box, no, of full adders and but rather nibble adders like this. It's much easier to create the adder using the nibble adder using the Circuitverse built-in ALU. So for example, we can have here 1, 2, okay. That is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 is this is 1, 0, 1, 2. This is 10 plus 2, which will give you 12. So this is also 12. Okay. But if you want to deduct, in our case, we'll have to set subtraction input, rather the subtraction input as 1. In the Circuitverse ALU, we just have to set this bit as 1 and it will do the subtraction. Okay. Now, in our next video, I'm going to show you how to detect whether the result of the ALU is a negative or positive number. You're going to do that because you're going to make a twos complement converter, which will convert your output to twos complement if the last result is negative. Thanks for watching and see you then.